Hola amigos, Mr. Brigs here. Welcome to the Spanish word of the day. Today I'm feliz, happy. We're going to learn how to say happy in Spanish. But before that, click that red button and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos daily so you can be happy. Okay amigos, let's begin. Here we go. Comencemos. If you want to say I am happy, you would say yo estoy feliz. Yo estoy feliz. Yo estoy feliz. Feliz is a neutral adjective and it doesn't need to be changed according to gender. Remember that most adjectives that end in a consonant, like feliz, do not change according to gender. Keeping this in mind, both male and females can say feliz. So if this girl wanted to say I'm also happy, she would say yo también estoy feliz. Yo también estoy feliz. Sigamos, let's continue. He is happy. Él está feliz. Él está feliz. She's happy. Ella está feliz. Ella está feliz. Look at that big smile she's got. Ella está feliz. Muy bien. Continuemos con otro ejemplo. How do we say he was happy? Él estaba feliz. Él estaba feliz. He was happy. She was happy. Ella estaba feliz. Ella estaba feliz. And what am I saying now? Yo estaba feliz. I said I was happy. Yo estaba feliz. Muy bien. Continuemos with another ejemplo. If you want to ask, are you happy? You would ask, ¿estás feliz? ¿Estás feliz? ¿Estás feliz? Feliz. F-E-L-I-Z. F-E-L-I-Z. Feliz. And that means happy in Spanish. Okay amigos, don't worry and be feliz. Click the red button, subscribe and start learning Spanish with Mr. Brigs. Muy bien, take care, look after yourself and I'll see you mañana. Hasta mañana. Ciao. And don't forget to be feliz. Ciao.